Good morning. This is Driving with Miles. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I do tutorials on driving, driver's ed prep, road test prep, turns, parallel parking. I need you to subscribe to my channel at the end of this. Today, we are in a drive-through. I've had some requests to do this. How do you go in? How far do you turn the wheel? I'm about 1.5 to 2 feet away from the curb. You have to look out your window and estimate where you are, because if you turn the wheel too short, you're going to go over the curb and hit the large yellow pole, and that's no good for no one. So I'm just barely on the gas. I'm at about 1 to 2 miles an hour, turning my wheel slightly, looking ahead. This does take some practice because I've had a lot of beginning drivers hit the gas instead of the brake, so it's definitely a little bit scary. So you're just making sure your car is angled properly and you're in line with the rest of the cars. You want to take your time, you want to be smooth, you always want to double check to make sure there's a yellow line here, and then you can line your car up with that yellow line. You see me turn out hand over hand. You don't want to accidentally tailgate anyone and be on top of them, because your foot could slip off the pedal, and that would be horrible for both parties. You're just taking your time and moving forward, being patient, looking ahead. You don't want to be too close to cars, because your car could suck in that exhaust, and then that's not good for anyone either. You want to have your window cracked a little bit, just moving forward very gently. Again, there's a line to the left, a yellow warning line, and another yellow warning line to the right to guide your car. There are drive-throughs with double entries, and those are definitely confusing. So you're just taking your time and waiting. You're scanning, you're checking the car behind you. It doesn't take long at all to get your order. They process it really quick. But the danger is, once you get your food, follow me, you have people sticking french fries up their nose. They're not paying attention. They're not aware of what's going on. So you just want to be patient and you want to be careful. Hey, how you doing? What's up?
Hey,
everything?
That
was great, man. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
He came in on his birthday.
Yes.
I wish I said happy birthday.
Thank you, brother.
Happy late brother.
All right. Thank you. You know, it's all about relationships when you come and see people, and that's why we go to the places we go. So here's this yellow pole that I'm talking about. If you're too close to it, you're going to break your mirror. So you want to line your car up, your window up with the door, and you want to be patient. Good morning. You want to take your time, get everything set. Thank you. God bless you. So everything's set. So now you make sure everything is set. Now here's the tricky part. I have to make a right turn, so I'm gonna look over my shoulder, because this is one large lane. The lane to the left is for left turns, the lane to the right is right turn. So I'm going up to the edge. Remember, people are sticking french fries up in their nose, right? So there are large trucks here. I'm going down to the edge. I'm taking my time. I can't pull out yet because there's not enough room, so I'm just gonna be patient. There's a car without headlights on. They have a blinker. I'm gonna go ahead and turn in the first lane, and I'm in that first lane. Always keep your turn as short as possible. Speed limit here is 50. I'm up to about 40 right now. Intersection ahead, I'm scanning using my eyes, always looking. You have to have the ability to get the speed as smoothly as possible without speeding, and it's all about the touch with the gas pedal. I will do a tutorial on the gas pedal and brake pedal. So my right blinker is on. I'm slowing down gradually, very smooth, not jerking the brake, taking my time, smooth and easy. And then I turn hand over hand into the turn. I turn out hand over hand. You really want to practice those fundamentals. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and make a right turn and show you another hand over hand turn in, and then you turn out hand over hand. I'm going to make another right turn, and I'm going to pull into this stall parking spot. Again, you have to split the parking spot in the middle, and then you turn out hand over hand. Let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been doing driver's ed 21 years. I need you to subscribe to my channel, turn on a bell notification. I love you and I appreciate you. God bless you.